Let's bring in Scott Phillips from Motley for his analysis. Scott, good evening to you. Banks did the heavy lifting today, but who had the biggest rises?
Tomo, good evening. The banks, did a lot of the hard work. They are the biggest part of our market, of course. Other than that, it was a real grab bag of stocks. NIB, the health insurer, believe it or not, was the top mover with a gain of 3%. Nuix, the much maligned software company, also doing quite well, up another 2.5% itself. Added to the list, Kogan.com. I guess that COVID impact, people are expecting a lot more of us will shop from home. It got a nice lift of almost 2.5% too.
OK, the Afterpay takeover is still having a ripple effect on the market and other tech stocks.
It is remarkable, Tomo. The tech index is up 8.6% this week. Not this year, not this month, this week. It is a remarkable story. And people are still looking around, investors, trying to work out whether there'll be another takeover and how to consider the rest of the sector. Are these guys going to be worth more because other people are coming looking, or is the Afterpay Square tie-up enough to really put the chills through the rest of the sector because Square and Afterpay together are going to really sweep all before them? No one's really sure. Volatility will be the order of the day. The tech sector was roughly flat today.
It is an incredible story. Reporting season is underway today. It was Nick Scali's turn. How did the furniture retailer perform?
This is an incredible number. They more than doubled profits. Now, you know, software companies can sell endless amounts of effective free software. If you're going to double your profit, you're going to grow sales meaningfully. You've got to get them in, get them out, get people into showrooms, and all of that in a COVID-impacted year. From July 1 last year to June 30 this year, just think about how much impact there was. By the way, we already had bought a lot of sofas and furniture in the last financial year, doubling profit. The shares didn't go anywhere, though, today, partly because the market expected it, also because Nick Scali, and we'll see more of this in the rest of August, basically chose not to give any guidance at all. They just said, look, we don't know what happens next. We don't know what happens with lockdowns, the economy, demand. We simply can't tell you. And that had a depressing impact on the share price.
All right, just before we go, Scott, what are the US futures pointing to?
I get to finish the week on a high, Tomo. At the moment, US futures look like the markets are up about 0.25%. Not the best rise in the world, but we'll take the green. Hopefully that translates to more gains for us tomorrow, maybe even a new record.
We like a rise. It's always good news. Scotty, thank you.